Winter. Winter is a cold and magical season. It comes after autumn and before spring, bringing chilly weather and often snow. People look forward to winter for many reasons. It is a time for cozy nights, warm clothes, and fun holidays. Winter may be cold, but it has a special charm that makes it a favorite season for many. One of the most noticeable things about winter is the drop in temperature. The days become colder, and in many places, snow begins to fall. Snow turns the world white and quiet. It covers the ground like a soft blanket. Children love to play in the snow, building snowmen, making snow angels, and having snowball fights. Sledding down hills is also a fun activity that many people enjoy during winter. Winter also means wearing warm clothes. People wear thick coats, scarves, hats, and gloves to stay warm. Boots help keep feet dry when walking in the snow. The feeling of bundling up in cozy sweaters and sitting by a warm fire is one of the simple pleasures of winter. The cold air outside makes the warmth inside feel even better. One of the most exciting parts of winter is the holidays. In many countries, Christmas is the biggest holiday of the season. People decorate their homes with lights, wreaths, and Christmas trees. They hang stockings by the fireplace and exchange gifts with family and friends. Christmas is a time of joy, love, and giving. Children especially look forward to it because of the presents and the fun traditions like Santa Claus. Another popular holiday in winter is New Year's Eve. It marks the end of the old year and the beginning of a new one. People celebrate by having parties, watching fireworks, and making New Year's resolutions. It is a time for reflection and hope as people think about their goals for the year ahead. Winter is also a season of lights. Many cities and towns decorate their streets with colorful lights during the holiday season. The lights brighten up the dark, cold nights and create a festive atmosphere. Some places have special light festivals where people can walk through parks or gardens filled with twinkling lights and beautiful displays. In some parts of the world, winter sports are very popular. Skiing and snowboarding are two of the most popular winter activities. People travel to snowy mountains to enjoy these sports. Ice skating is another favorite winter activity. Many towns set up outdoor ice rinks where people can skate and enjoy the fresh air. For those who love the cold, winter sports offer a lot of excitement. Winter is also a time for hot drinks. When the weather is cold, people love to warm up with hot chocolate, tea, or coffee. A cup of hot cocoa with marshmallows is a perfect treat after a day in the snow. Many people also enjoy soups and stews during winter, as they are warm and filling. For some animals, winter is a time to hibernate. Bears, for example, sleep through the winter to save energy when food is hard to find. Other animals, like squirrels, gather food before winter comes so they have enough to eat during the cold months. Birds often migrate to warmer places during winter, flying long distances to find a better climate. In some parts of the world, winter brings very short days and long nights. The sun rises late and sets early, leaving less time for daylight. This can make people feel sleepy or less energetic. However, the long nights also mean more time for indoor activities like reading books, watching movies, or spending time with family. In winter, many people enjoy staying indoors where it is warm and cozy. It is a great time to sit by the fireplace, wrapped in a blanket, with a good book or movie. Winter is also a time for family gatherings. People come together to celebrate holidays, share meals, and enjoy each other's company. Winter has its challenges too. The cold weather can make it hard to go outside, and heavy snow can make travel difficult. Sometimes roads and sidewalks get icy and slippery, which can be dangerous. People have to shovel snow from their driveways and clear ice from their windows. However, many people find joy in these winter tasks as they are part of the season's charm. In addition to holidays and sports, winter is also a season for reflection. The quiet, snowy landscape gives people time to think. It is a peaceful season, and the stillness of the snow-covered world makes it a perfect time for personal reflection and setting new goals. Some people feel the winter blues during the season because of a lack of sunlight and the cold weather. But there are many ways to stay happy and active in winter. Going for a walk in the snow, even for a short time, can lift your mood. Spending time with loved ones, enjoying the holidays, or staying active with winter sports can also help. Winter has a unique beauty. Snow-covered trees, frozen lakes, and frost on the windows create a magical scene. The world seems quieter in winter as the snow absorbs sound, making everything feel calm and serene. Many people take photos of snowy landscapes, capturing the beauty of nature during this cold season. In conclusion, winter is a season full of magic, beauty, and joy. It brings cold weather, but also warm moments spent with family and friends. From snow-covered landscapes to exciting holidays and winter sports, there is something special about this time of year. Whether you are playing in the snow, celebrating with loved ones, or simply enjoying a cup of hot chocolate by the fire, winter offers many reasons to be happy.